Hospihans. Download the app now for medical job opportunities. Welcome to Hospihans, your go-to platform for seamless healthcare staffing. Managing a hospital or clinic, here's how Hospihans simplifies connecting with trusted healthcare professionals. Once verified, your organization's account will be activated and you can start posting jobs and connecting with top healthcare professionals. Home section. Your home section is designed to simplify hiring and appointments. Click on Create Appointment. Let's now go through the steps to create an appointment based on the type you choose. First, schedule call. Select service type, enter appointment details, choose start date and time, select the number of calls, pick the broad specialty, choose specific specialty, adjust fees per call, set minimum experience, set appointment expiry, choose working place. Write a description. Example, we need a general surgeon for the ward. Review and continue. Click continue to check the details. Create appointment. Click create appointment. You will receive applications from healthcare professionals. Select applicant. Review the applicants and select the most suitable candidate. Check in at the appointment time. Confirm healthcare professional's arrival by scanning the barcode or entering the 6-digit OTP. For checkout, after the shift ends, confirm the checkout by entering barcode or by entering OTP and process the payment, and at the end rate the healthcare professional based on their performance. Schedule duty. Select service type. Choose doctor, nurse, technician or attendant. Enter appointment details. Choose start date and end date. Set shift timing and number of shifts per day. Pick broad specialty. Choose specific specialty. Adjust fees per shift. Set minimum experience. Set appointment expiry. Select working place. Write a description. Example, we need a general surgeon for OPD. Schedule shifts. Specify how many healthcare professionals are needed for each shift. Review and continue. Click continue to see a preview of the details. Create appointment. Click create appointment, review and accept application from applicants. Check-in. Follow the same procedure as schedule call for check-in of healthcare professional, either by OTP method or by scanning the barcode. For checkout, follow the same procedure as schedule call. After the shift ends, confirm the checkout and process the payment, and rate the healthcare professional based on their performance. Long-term appointment. Select service type, choose doctor, nurse or attendant. Enter appointment details. Choose start, pick broad specialty, choose a specific specialty, adjust fees per month, set minimum experience, set appointment expiry, select working place. Write a description. Example, we need a general surgeon for OPD. Post job. Click on Post job to make your listing visible to applicants. Review applications. Review and select the best suited applicant for the job. Check status. Ensure the status updates to applied, accepted, check-in, check-out, payment received and completed. Payment and rating. After the long-term appointment ends, process the payment and rate the healthcare professional based on their performance. Screen overview. This section will guide you through the platform's features starting from the home screen and moving into key functionalities. Click on Upcoming Appointments. On the home screen, you will see a list of upcoming appointments. Tap on any appointment to be redirected to Event section, where you can manage and view appointments. Event section. In the Event section, you can search appointments by healthcare professional's name, find the specific healthcare profession by their name, by broad specialty, by picking a date, services, filter by categories,